I can see you walking through that motherfucker too, looking towards your ops like you owe that. Slap poop, get beat, bitch, never. Never. My big time. My.
Well, let me move some to your speaker that's that murder talk. And I'm gonna be your dream with that murder talk.
You weren't saying that shit last night though. When you was down here in this front room with me. Yeah, tell mama what you was on with me in this front room.
I wasn't on nothing with no
Bitch,
bum.
stop playing, nigga. That nigga you talk to is bums, nigga. That one up but your bums. And they gave you.
Leaving my dad again. They'll get back together. She just likes to leave every now and then to pretend she's still his dignity. Yeah, she drives like a maniac. Sure, it's not like she's going through a.
It's the day before my birthday. Your girl's turning 39. Yes, tomorrow, December 2nd. So today I'm going to be doing a lot of running around. I guess you can do some running around with me. So you gotta get some edibles, some junk food, some clothes, my shoe. And just have a little fun. And y'all gonna go out with me tomorrow and have a good time. And turn up. Hey. They got the Pringles. What should I try, guys? I try. I know I want some gummy worms, guys. Good morning. Today's my birthday. I'm sick, y'all. I'm up here trying to take some medicine to get up. So I guess I'm gonna be leaning on my birthday. Yes, y'all. I'm so sick, but I'm finna get up, take some medicine, go open up my gifts. Matter of fact, y'all can come with me to open up my gifts. Come on. Here go one. Y'all like two. Y'all think I should drink out this big old cup? Let me know. If I couldn't make it to get a massage, we're gonna open this up, y'all. Because I need a massage right now, like this. That's what I'm supposed to be in my body sore. I'm sick. It's ridiculous. I don't know what to do. I don't know, y'all. Do I just put the time? Do it need batteries? I think it needs batteries. So I'm going to do that in a minute. Walking in this chair. I'm going to put a light some of these up, y'all. It smells so good. I look sick, y'all. Look at that. I got the big all in my eyes, y'all. It smells so good. I'm going to watch this movie. Right. Probably now. Probably ain't going to be able to get a chance to, but I'm going to watch some of these movies I got for my birthday. I don't know which one more. Boo. I think I'm gonna wear one of these. Okay, and I'm gonna put some batteries in this thing. I'll be right back. You guys, I got it working. It feels so good. Yeah. Y'all hear it? Ooh. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Baby said she ain't want none.
What?
Huh?
What? I did want one, but that's okay. Yo, and I made that cake. Look at the person who made it. And then he keep trying to dig his finger on it.
Y'all, I'm finna have a piece of my cake and some ice cream.
That's a lot. Use the yellow thing.
I love this ice cream. I'm gonna try to open it up with these nails, y'all. I guess I gotta have some sweets in the morning. I'm so hungry.
On the thing, the window.
For some sweets, y'all. I should be eating breakfast right now, but I got taste for sweets. So, oh, y'all, this stuff is so hard. I can't even get it out, y'all. Hold on, I'll be right back. I can't get this ice cream out. So I got it. It tastes so good. I gotta find out where I'm going today, y'all. With all my kids. I don't know where I'm going. But I'm gonna eat this ice cream and cake, and I'll see y'all later.
Here go my mama outfit. Turn around, mama. She looks so cute. I want everybody to comment happy birthday. Y'all see her makeup? Period. All right, y'all. We gonna come back to y'all when we get home.
We finna get ready to go out.
We finna go. Yeah.
We finna go have some fun.
Y'all look at my edges.
We might just go eat because I'm hungry. I don't feel like bouncing. I don't know. But we finna figure it out. But we need to get out of here.
All right, y'all.
Tonight, my
Oh, here go my sister. She did the makeup. Half of y'all probably already know her.
Yeah.
Because she did y'all say hey.
Hey, guys. No, you ain't give me a hug, but you want to give
We
a kiss.
finna eat some edible.
We can't. We too young.
Okay, you guys. I'm about to eat a real edible and go out. And I'm gonna get my daughter. It's a regular cake. Ain't no weed in here. It's just regular. But I just want to see will she act like she high or will she just act normal. I'm gonna give her some of that and just like, come on, Kavenus, let me get some. Kavenus! But I'm gonna say it's just regular cake. It's regular cake. Here, girl, we got some cake. Eat some brownie with me.
Whoa!
No. That. Say peace. Move.
I want a big old piece of Okay, good. So I'll see y'all when I make it to the car. Because it's good a little bit. We eating this brownie.
I don't know, I brought it. Hey.
Okay, we finna go out.
Okay, let me touch them.
The other daughter just came, so she had to eat some brownies with us.
Hey guys.
Put this in your purse.
It's your girl Naya. Y'all can follow me on Jess_XOXO_Naya. And that's my IG. So now. Okay, but here, let me get a camera back.
Vivi got in her purse. Vivi got in her purse. Turn the lights on, y'all. We gotta go. We out of here.
Okay, y'all, let me show you my feet. So,
Turn the camera.
Okay, Vivi got.
So guys, we about to get in the car. We about to go.
I should have pissed before I left.
We about to let y'all. We about to get in the car and we gonna tune in whenever we get in the car. So see y'all. No, they about to tune in. Let's see. We gotta put it right here. Okay, so
I just noticed. What? What you just noticed?
we gonna tune y'all in whenever we get there. Sorry, bye.
Let her shoot you and go get one. Saquon, stop before you smash your finger. Come here. You're just finna shoot up. Come here. This nigga is getting bad. Y'all two niggas irritating.
Get your butt over here and stop messing with that.
Y'all.
she balling.
She said, let's go. You heard me.
Right. Go, girl. She put the shit in the gutter both times. Hey, come here, boo boo.
They all do like that. We all do that.
Come on. Come here. No. Yeah. Come on. Okay, girl. Come here. Yay. Give me 5. Say yay.
Yeah, Bodie's trying to win. I ain't gonna let him win or should I whoop him?
I want to win too, but hey.
No.
Nobody want to.
That's too hard. I should have brought you some toys.
Why is everybody still going in the gutter?
Why
Why still cannot even?
Ain't nobody.
This ain't real funny. This ain't funny. 10 cans about it. Hey. 9, 10 cans about that. Why did you try to kick me? No, okay, that stuff really stank. I'm not like, but I'm trying to get out. Ooh. They come in with money. I see them.
What are y'all saying?
No, that's kind of he farted. He didn't even say that.
Damn, boy, you out there ripping ass off.
I say excuse me, because that's what I said. It stank.
Damn, bitch. You think we want to smell that?
If that's why I got that window, that's some stank, man.
And I can't get out. I ain't got no handle. Look at.
Baby say, give me that money, that money. What happened? Baby say, give me that money, that money. Dad, you got that money?
Yeah.
Give me some money. Get that big money. You got that big money, baby. You got that money, that money. That money, that money.
I know